বোনগুলো হচ্ছে কি কি বোন আছে এখানে আমরা যে কটা পারি those bone we see বাস ওকে it is a cornual process ফিগারটা ফলো করুন হ্যাঁ cornual process the cornual process is present in ruminant deer rhinoceros also no sorry no others wild buffalo or wild ruminant like etc also in giraffe wild animal present this is cornual process. The covering of the cornual process it is called horn. Horn is the modification of skin. We know it in the class. And এখানে হলো cornual process is present in case of ruminant, not in horse. Okay. This bone is frontal bone. Frontal bone. It is the roof of the cranial cavity. Frontal bone. Okay. Frontal bone. You see, this is the frontal bone, like forehead. This bone. Under this is called temporal bone. Temporal. This is called temporal. Can you see it? Temporal. This is the temporal. And then parietal. Then parietal. Temporal. This is temporal. Okay? Temporal. Temporal bone. In case of horse, this is temporal. This is frontal. This is temporal. This is frontal. And by the side temporal, this is parietal. This is parietal. This is parietal. Within this parietal, interparietal. One of the bone, interparietal. Part of the two parietal part. It is called interparietal. This is called nuchal crest. This is called. Show the picture or follow the picture. Here it is nuchal crest. This is nuchal crest. Nuchal crest. You see, nuchal crest. Okay. Also in the bone, horse skull, they are present nuchal crest. In the skeleton, nuchal crest. Okay. From the nuchal crest, a ligament is up to the thoracic spinous process. Thoracic spinous process. এখানে একটা ligament থাকে, শক্ত, strong ligament. That's why the cattle group can bear the plow or cart wheel like etc. বুঝতে পারছো? তাহলে এটা হলো understand a nuchal ligament strong ligament is present from the nuchal crest up to the thoracic spinous process, and also is a ligament also continuous with the spinous process of the sacrum. এটাকে বলা হয় supraspinous ligament. গোটাটাকে লম্বা লং from the nuchal crest to the sacrum spinous process. A long ligament is present there. That is called supraspinous ligament. Supraspinous ligament. And exceptionally nuchal crest to thoracic spinous process. Here present nuchal ligament. তাহলে আমরা স্কাল নিয়ে এখন কথা বলছি। হেডলাইন দাও স্কাল।